Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to install a dash cam or a radar detector on your Ford Mustang S197, which includes the 2011, 2012, 2013 and 2014 Ford Mustangs. So this is not going to be a hardwired installation, but instead we're going to use something which is known as a mirror tap. So what are the things which you need? So for the mirror tap, for starters, you need to know the port which is on your dash cam or on your radar detector. In my case, I have this VO4 dash cam and the port here is a mini USB. So I'm going to use this mirror tap cable from Dongar Technologies, which has two cables and a mini USB port. So you have a red wire and you have a black wire. Now for the S197 Mustangs, I do have the 2013 Ford Mustang over here, and all you have to do is rotate your rear view mirror a little bit towards the right hand side so that if you're in the driver's seat you can have a look at the behind of the rear view mirror. You will see over there a clip and some wires. So the red wire will go on the bottom right, which is your blue wire. That is where you have to push the pin for the red wire for this mirror tap cable, and then the black wire will go into the black and blue on the bottom. So I think it is the fourth cable if you're counting from the bottom right. That is it. Once you push in those pins, the next thing you need to do is attach your dash cam or your radar detector. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is not a hardwire. So the only downside of this method is that it is not going to work if the car is turned off. So if you're looking for a dash cam installation wherein you want to use the feature of parking mode, that is not going to work with this kind of mirror tap installation. This will work as soon as you turn on the ignition key. The power is going to go into the dash cam or the radar detector using this mirror tap cable, and it is going to start recording. Once you turn the ignition off, open the door, the recording will stop because there will be no more power going into the dash cam or the radar detector. So hopefully this video does help some S197 Mustang owners who are looking for the best and easiest way, in my humble opinion, to install a dash cam or a radar detector using the mirror tap method. And of course, before you ask me, hey Manchi, where can I find these mirror tap cables? Again, links to those can be found in the description of this video.